Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Rating agencies Fitch Ratings and Moody's Investors Service today said the Omicron COVID-19 variant could hurt global growth prospects while also pushing prices higher. It gave the outlook after the World Health Organization said the variant carried a very high risk of infection surges. Fitch said it was too early to include the Omicron variant in economic growth forecasts until more information is known about the effects, contagion, and severity. In a statement, Moody's Analytics said the Omicron variant of COVID-19 adds new uncertainties to the global economic outlook, but much will depend on its speed of transmission, hospitalization, and death rates, and also the effectiveness of vaccines against the strain. It's costing an average $156.47 for $1, $123.13 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $207.52 for the pound, and $179.24 for the euro. The JC Index gained 1,574 points, while the Junior Market Index lost 29 points. Advancing today were Jamaica Public Services 5% D and C shares, JPS's 6 and 7% shares, and Epley's 7.5% shares due 2024. While on the losing side were 138 Student Living Jamaica, Jetcon Corporation, Consolidated Bakeries, Everything Fresh, and General Accident Insurance. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.